last prayer. Me pray my soul don't get burn like tire. Almighty make your guide and protect higher. Cause the devil laugh for me long time, a long time. If this is my last prayer, me pray my soul don't get burn like tire. Almighty make your guide and protect higher. Cause the devil laugh for me long time, a long time.
Welcome to another week of Pree Dis. I'm your host Michaela Leana, and this week we're on Constant Spring Road. Stay tuned for the latest in entertainment and lifestyle right here in Jamaica. Soca versus dancehall at the recent staging of Bacchanal Fridays. We have the highlights.
On a man, every girl climb up. On a man, every girl climb up. On a man, stretch for the ceiling, climb on a man. Hey girl climb up. On a man, every girl climb up. On a man, every girl climb up. On a man, stretch for the ceiling, climb on a man. Watch it.
It's number 4 Bacchanal Fridays of 6 until the Big Road March, and tonight's theme is Soca versus dancehall.
Put 1 foot over, every girl climb on a man's shoulder. Put 1 foot over, every girl climb on a man's shoulder. Watch it. Spread your arms and balance on it. Show me your palms and balance on it. Wind your waist and balance on it. Counterweight and balance on it. Mash it down and balance on it. Spin it round and balance on it. If you can't see the front of the stage from the back of the car, then get off the ground. Climb it. Climb it.
Which side are you usually on, soca or dancehall?
Dancehall.
Is that what brought you out tonight?
Sure. At the best of Jamaica, but soca and dancehall, you're not going to find nothing better than that. So from soca and dancehall there, you know the things stay already.
I will. Plenty sexy girl looking groovy. It's like so much of them on Tuesday. My God, the girl them unruly. As I reach the bar.
Which do you prefer? Dancehall. Yeah, dancehall all the way. I'm one of those people that when it comes to carnival, then I'm trying to catch up on all of the latest soca and all of the latest trends. But this event in particular, this is like my 2nd year in a row doing it. I really enjoy it because you see the crowd is diverse. They love soca, they love dancehall, they just want to feel the energy. So that's what carnival's about. Bacchanal Jamaica's about. Big up the Smirnoff Jamaica. I'm going to be on the Smirnoff float April 23rd. So make sure you come by the Smirnoff float. We got all the free liquor and all the free fun. Me, Tifa, Miss Kitty, and a whole bag of Smirnoff drinking going on. April 23rd, Bacchanal Jamaica. We gonna see you. Keep it.
It's nice, it's fun. I'm enjoying myself real good.
Which do you prefer?
Dancehall, of course. Dancehall.
Hey girl, bend your back. Bubble panda. Kick, bend your tack. Everything shot. Hey girl, bend your back. Bubble panda. Kick, bend your tack. Everything shot. Hey girl, just whine and bend over. Giving to the beat of the soca. Do it all on tabletop on the sofa. Girls from Trinidad, girl from Europa. Girl from Jamaica, girl from Toga. Bend so low so me can see your shoulder. Bumper spin like the wheel of a roller. Come your beauty, I'm the beholder. Love when you bend and you whine and watch over.
As we reinforce the need for our drivers to practice safety on our roads, let's listen up to this very important road safety tip, courtesy of our sponsor, Superior Parts Limited.
Using a cell phone while driving does have its disadvantages and can result in motor vehicle accidents if you're not careful on the roads. Always keep both eyes on the road and do not read or send SMS text messages or take notes during a call while driving. Do not engage in complex or emotional conversations on your phone while driving. They are distracting and can be dangerous. These tips are brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.
When we get back from the break, it's all about the talent on the rise, Young Sia, and Range has the music video premiere of the week. We'll be right back.
Manufacturers of vehicles are not necessarily the manufacturers of parts. They outsource in places such as Japan, Thailand, China, Malaysia, Indonesia, or wherever it is most cost-effective to do so. Visit Superior Parts today for the widest range of genuine and non-genuine, new and used Honda parts in Kingston, Maypen, Mandeville, Mobay, and Ocho Rios. Telephone 929-4410 or 758-0830. Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.
As I go through my day, when I work or I play,
there's one thing that I do when I wanna stay cool. Cool on your body any day, anytime. I cool water on the front line. Drop it on the beat, this a I cool time. Tell it to the world, it's a one that I feel reach worldwide.
I cool water helps me stay cool, cause I drink cool. I cool water, feel like water helps me stay cool, cause I drink cool. I cool water, feel life.
What to cook for dinner today?
Daddy's home!
You have the key to my heart right there.
Mommy, what's for dinner?
Corned beef and rice.
Uh-oh.
Ian, what's that noise?
Nothing, Mommy.
Dinner's ready.
Great quality products for the entire family at unbeatable prices. Hilo, making life easier.